Hello children, welcome back to our LBS online classes. Standard 2nd, subject English, Unit 2, 2.1, Birds Can Fly. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of this poem. So children, listen carefully and look at me. Okay children? Now children, today we will learn this poem with an action. So children, look here. Birds can fly, birds can fly, birds can fly, birds can fly. Up in the sky and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, very very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim, ducks can swim, ducks can swim. Deep in the water and I can swim too. Dogs can walk on the ground and I can walk too. Horses can run in the forest and I can run too. Bunnies can hop on the grass and I can too. Okay children? Now children, we will see some words and also see the question which is based on this poem. त्यावर आधारित काही प्रश्न आपण पाहणार आहोत. First, I will read this question and you listen carefully. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the help of given brackets. खाली दिलेल्या रिकाम्या जागा कंसाच्या सहाय्याने कंसात दिलेल्या शब्दाच्या सहाय्याने काय करायचे आहेत आपल्याला भरायच्या आहेत. सो चिल्ड्रन, आय विल रीड फर्स्ट. डॅश कॅन फ्लाय इन द स्काय. Birds can fly in the sky. B dash can jump very high. Frogs can jump very high. C dash can walk on the ground. Dogs can walk on the ground. D dash can swim deep in the water. Ducks can swim deep in the water. E dash can run in the forest. Horses can run in the forest. F dash can hop on the grass. Bunnies can hop on the grass. So children, you understood? Yes. Now once again I will repeat this. Birds can fly in the sky. पक्षी कुठे उडतात? आकाशात उडतात. Frogs can jump very high. बेडूक काय करतो? उंच उड्या मारतो. बघा. Dogs can walk on the ground. कुत्रा काय? जमिनीवर चालतो किंवा चालू शकतो. Ducks can swim deep in the water. बघा. बदक पाण्यामध्ये पोहतो. Horses can run in the forest. घोडे जंगलामध्ये पळतात. ओके. Bunnies can hop on the grass. म्हणजे ससा गवतावर टुणूक टुणूक अशा उड्या मारतो. ओके चिल्ड्रन.